Hello friends, in this video we will see how to check the duplicate in a list. So for a sample I have taken this list with some random values here. So what I'll do, I have to check, now my task is I have to check in this list what are the duplicates. So I know this is just a sample which is having hardly 10 rows, but in case you have thousands of rows, in case on that case this duplicate using the conditional formatting would help to find out the duplicates. So let's check it out how to do that. So in this case I'll select the whole column E and then I'll go to this conditional formatting. Then the first I'll check the highlight cell rules. Then there is an option called as duplicate values. I click on that, and there is already an option which says duplicate values with, so for example by default it will take as red. So if you want to change, you can change the color as well. So I am not changing it now. Okay, I am putting it okay. Now you can see in this list the duplicates has been highlighted into red. A is duplicate, as you can see ABC is duplicate, 1 2 3. So and now this is the one way to identify a duplicate in a list. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thanks.